Let's talk about adding decimals. 12 and 36 hundredths plus 10 and 41 hundredths. When you're adding decimals, we need to do that vertically, which means we need to line up the numbers up and down instead of side to side like this. I always make the first number just go on top because it doesn't really matter when you're adding which one is on top or bottom. And then I need to write the second number underneath. The trick when you're adding decimals or subtracting is that you're going to line the decimals up. So I'm going to put my decimal in first, and then 10 goes in front, 41 hundredths goes behind, and then we add. The nice thing about addition is that it's exactly the same as adding whole numbers, except there's going to be a decimal stuck in the middle. The decimal needs to line up exactly, and then I'm just going to do my math. 6 plus 1 is 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2. So my answer is 22 and 77 hundredths, 22.77. I'm going to write the number down, plus I'm going to put my decimal in first. The 1 goes in the ones place, and then the 2 goes in the tenths place, and there's this blank right here. If you want, you can add a 0 placeholder. It might make it easier so that you don't shift your numbers. And now I'm going to bring down my decimal and add. 3 plus 0 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 9.13 plus 1.2 is 10.33. If you really want to check your answer, pretend the decimals aren't there. What's 9 plus 1? It's 10. So that means my answer should be pretty close to the number 10. 10.33 is very close to just 10. It's an easy way to check to make sure your decimals have been lined up and that your addition is correct. What do I do if there's not a decimal? Well, in all numbers, there is actually a decimal. Whole numbers just have this hidden decimal because 3 could also be written as 3.0. If you have a problem that has a decimal, then you might want to write 3.0 so that you make sure that your numbers are lined up correctly. I can put my decimal right here and 2.9, and now I add. 0 plus 9 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5.